Hi, this is Ross with Contractor Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this project, and as you can see, we already got started. What we're doing now is in the process of removing the top coat, rather than the previous coatings, and the peel seal from this floor. Right now we have coating removal tools on. As you can see, we're making progress. This is only the first step of two. The next one, we're going to switch over to diamond coating tools once we get this coating off. And we'll pucker up the coating along the edges here. This helps loosen it up a little bit and help it easier to grind off. Lauren's using a hand grinder. You can see right here, she's going to pick up the balance of this coating. She's already ground it. Now she's going to go in and get that off the floor. So when you're hand grinding, you can apply as much pressure as you want. So it's really usually a one-step process. And as you can see, she's cutting the coating and putting the profile onto the concrete all at the same time. So that's what it looked like as we're working on it. So this segment shows after the coating removal tools have passed. And as you can see, there's still coating on the floor. But you can see the amount of material that's starting to come off. So now this is all the cap that's being ground off, and what Lauren's doing now is she's vacuuming it up. So it's kind of interesting because you can see where the floor is flat and the ag is showing and where the swirls are. So what those swirls are where the coating removal tools have done their job, and now the diamonds are making the floor flat and they're putting the final profile onto the floor. This is just a quick segment to show our progress. So now you can see what the grind looks like after removing the coating and then using the diamond tooling to put the proper profile onto the floor. Here are the repairs that we made. We had basically there's a big long crack around this entire wall. You can see that we have the baseboards with our primer on it. That color matches the color of the epoxy, so we get good consistency between the baseboards and the floor. And again, just a really good look at this floor and see how far it's come. Very little repairs actually. Now over here I'm going to show the chips. This color is Domino, and this is what the chips look like. So we're ready to put this floor in just a few minutes actually. It's time for Hoppy to be a good girl. Okay, here we are. We're all finished up. This is our 3-car with baseboards. Today we're in Lutz, finishing this up now. Here's some of the details. As you saw in the final, in the previous segments, there was a lot of grinding to get this floor prepped up right. There were no control joints to fill. Just a lot of grinding, a lot of material came off this floor. Now I want to thank James with Partners in Painting. He had saw a job that we had done previously. Then he came in to paint the house and he saw the floor and he really liked the job we did, so he referred us out to this customer, which we really appreciate. This customer is actually coming from Canada, and I've never met them. Only spoken to him on the phone a couple times and via text. So we definitely appreciate referrals. We do the best job we possibly can, and we like when people appreciate our work and they pass us along to people that they know. So the color is Domino. And this is what Domino looks like close up. You saw the chips in the buckets. This is what they look like down on the floor and top coated. It's a very simple blend. Goes with any house. It's completely color neutral. It reflects a lot of light. Really makes this garage nice and clean looking. And again, the baseboards really tie everything together. It's a whole nother floor when you have the baseboard option. Really ties everything in together. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.